Data structures and algorithms are the building blocks of computer programming. वे essential tools हैं जो developers efficient and scalable software applications बनाने के लिए use करते हैं. In this video, we'll explore the basics of data structures and algorithms and how they work together to make computer programs work efficiently. So let's get started. Let's start with data structures. A data structure is a way of organizing data so that it can be used efficiently. There are many types of data structures, but some of the most common ones are arrays, linked lists, stacks, and queues. Each data structure has its own strengths and weaknesses and is better suited for different types of tasks. Now, let's talk about algorithm. An algorithm is a set of instructions that a computer program follows to solve a specific problem. Algorithms are used to manipulate data structures to produce a desired outcome. There are many types of algorithms, such as sorting algorithms, searching algorithms, and graph algorithms. Efficient computer programs लिखने के लिए developers को each task के लिए सही data structure and algorithm चुनने की आवश्यकता होती है. For example, if a program needs to sort a large amount of data quickly, a developer might choose to use a sorting algorithm like quicksort. If a program needs to search for a specific item in a dataset, a searching algorithm like binary search might be used. Data structures and algorithms न केवल individual programs के लिए बल्कि large scale projects के लिए भी important है. By choosing the right data structures and algorithms, developers can create software that is efficient, scalable, and easy to maintain. In conclusion, data structures and algorithms are essential tools for developers. By understanding how they work and using them effectively, developers can create powerful and efficient software that can solve complex problems. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, it's important to keep learning and mastering data structures and algorithms.